Hello everyone, welcome to visit our DC to USB cable production process. First, we need to cut the cable as needed length. Secondly, strip the PVC insulation and wire cores. Thirdly, we crimp the DC connector and solder the USB connector. The next we done the inside and outside molding for USB connector. And then also done the inside and outside molding for DC connector. So for this cable we'll be molding a total of 4 times. It's doing open and short test now after molding process. After testing, we will full inspection for all finished goods. Final, we packing the cable as standard circle, and put into carton. That's all production process of this cable. Welcome to contact us to know more details.